Hello, today we will guide you through how to transfer a Lovable project to another account. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the account settings area in Lovable and show you how to give another account the right level of access. This process is helpful when you want someone else to manage a project under a different account, and it's important to make sure the correct role is assigned so the transfer can work as expected. To begin, open Lovable and go to the dashboard. This is the main home area where you can access your workspace and account controls. Once the dashboard is loaded, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the menu where account-related options are available. From that menu, click on Settings. The Settings section is where Lovable keeps workspace preferences, permissions, and user management tools. After the Settings page opens, move to the left-hand navigation panel and click on People. This area shows the members connected to the workspace and allows you to manage what each person is allowed to do. Once you are in the People section, find the role option for the account you want to update and click on the role field. This opens the permission choices for that user. From there, select Admin. Assigning the admin role is the key part of this process because the other account needs the correct permissions in order to take over management responsibilities. One important thing to keep in mind is that the admin role requires a subscription account. If the other account does not have an active subscription that supports admin access, you may not be able to complete this part successfully. So before making the change, it's a good idea to confirm that the receiving account meets that requirement. After the role has been updated to admin, the other account should now have the access needed for project management in the workspace. Be careful when changing roles, since admin permissions usually include broader control over settings, people, and workspace content. And that's the full process for transferring a Lovable project to another account by updating account access through the People settings. Follow each screen carefully and make sure the correct account is selected before confirming any role changes. This helps avoid permission issues later and ensures a smoother handoff.